everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can request a refund on Amazon. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Amazon, and from here just click on return and orders. So once you click on that one, you will see your account from here, so just click on orders from here and you will see here your recent orders. So actually you have to take note that not all items you can get refund or return, but on some orders you can do that. So on this one I can do it, so just click on return or replace item, and from here you click on this one and then tap on the continue right after. But before that you have to provide the reason of returning or getting a refund, so depends on you. And then you can also add a comment, but this is just optional, so you can go ahead and click on continue right after that. So in here you have few options. You can get exchange for a different size or color. You can also exchange for an item of your choice, and you can get refund your Amazon account balance. But I feel like this is a bit hassle, so you can also just do all this. So depends on you. So if you want to get refund, you click on this one and then you click on continue. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.